Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever noticed that AI, while incredibly smart, sometimes struggles with what seems like simple, common-sense reasoning? For example, if you ask an AI whether the woman in this picture is walking uphill or downhill, it might get confused. But a human would break that problem down, asking things like, which way is the hill slanting and which way is she facing? A new research paper introduces a framework that teaches an AI to do exactly that, ask itself a series of smaller questions to solve a bigger puzzle. The researchers call their system SQ-InstructBLIP, and it's built with three distinct parts that work together. First, there's a questioner module that looks at the main question and the image, and then generates a smaller, helpful sub-question. Next, an answerer module tackles that smaller question. Finally, a reasoner takes the original question, plus the new sub-question and its answer, to make a more informed and accurate final decision. So, does this method of self-questioning actually improve the AI's performance? The results are pretty impressive. As you can see in this table, their model consistently outperformed other powerful AIs on difficult visual reasoning tasks. They even ran a test where they gave the AI perfect, ground truth sub-questions and answers. When they did this, the system's accuracy shot up dramatically, proving that the fundamental idea of breaking down the problem is extremely effective. Let's look at a concrete example of where this shines. When a standard AI was asked, what is at the base of the vase, its best guess was rocks. But this new system first asked itself, are there limes in the vase? After answering yes to its own question, it correctly concluded the final answer, limes. Of course, the system isn't perfect. If the AI answers its own sub-question incorrectly, the final reasoning can still be wrong. Interestingly, the researchers also found that performance improved as the AI asked itself more sub-questions, up to an optimal point. So let's recap the key points. This research presents a new framework that significantly improves an AI's reasoning ability by teaching it to ask itself a series of informative, image-aware sub-questions. This is important because it mirrors a fundamental aspect of human intelligence, breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps. So, what could this mean for the future? Imagine smarter AI assistants that can truly understand what's happening in your photos and videos, leading to more helpful visual search, better tools for the visually impaired, and more capable robots that can reason about the world around them. It's a fascinating step towards creating AI that doesn't just know the answer, but understands the process of finding it. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.